Hey there, it's Kevin with IT Supplies, and today we are accessorizing with the Roland desktop UV printer series, the BD-8 and BD-12. That's right, we've all heard about the Rotary option to add on to the BD series. I'm here to show you how it's installed, how easy it works, and what you can actually print on it. Let's find out. This rotary attachment allows you to print directly onto cylindrical objects, all the way around the object. Think fancy makeup items or lotions or hand sanitizer bottles. And I know the big question is going to be, what about tumblers? With the rotary, the answer is unfortunately no. And I know that's a big bummer. You're going to have to go with a more expensive option to do that, to get that height of the tumbler. Now, this printer can print directly onto tumblers, just like this. We printed directly onto this, not using a DTF or UV DTF sticker, which this printer can also do, but the rotary itself can only fit smaller cylindrical objects. Let me explain. The rotary attachment does not replace the flatbed table that's inside the printer already. It sits on top of it. So that means it's taking away some of that depth the Roland printer is known for. Without the rotary, this printer can print onto objects that are 4 inches high. With the rotary, it brings it down to only objects that are 1.97 inches high. So I have not found a tumbler that is 2 inches in diameter. That would be very small, but I have found, shot glasses, makeup tubes, other cosmetic accessories, and here we're going to be printing on travel bottles. So with the BD-8 and the BD-12, its bigger brother, you are limited to that 2-inch diameter. But for length, the BD-8 can print up to 6.69 inches, and the BD-12, which is bigger, a bigger printer, you can print up to 10.43 inches. Step 1 is going to be the installation. Installation is really easy. You just have to go into your BD utility, hit Preferences, scroll down to Rotary Unit Attachment, and hit Execute. So let's go ahead and do it. Step 2, measure the object for design. Measure the object, the diameter, and the length. This is all you need to determine the size of the design file and also all that the program inside of Versa Studio is going to ask you for. And step 3, set it up in the rotary. Place the object in and print. This is an amazing add-on to an already amazing printer. Remember, you can still design tumblers by printing directly to it or using UV DTF applications. If you are curious if your design idea would work with the rotary, let us test it out here. Send us your idea and we'll get it printed. These printers are an investment, but they are also your business. You want something that is going to do what you need it to do and be reliable. This is the one. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe to get more info on all things printing. Thanks for watching and have a great day.